Our frontline healthcare heroes are putting themselves at risk every day, and we thank them for that. One is Christina Knowles. She's a CNA at a Shoreline nursing home who was diagnosed with COVID-19 last month. And she is also the mother of 4 kids ranging in age from 3 to 17. Thank you for being with us. I know you're home right now. I hope you're feeling good.
Yes, a lot better. Thank you.
Kids are in the background. I mean, just tell us, what was your experience with the virus?
At first I was starting to feel a little off, and right away I knew, just working with it, I said something's not right and I don't feel right. So I went and got tested, and sure enough, I was positive.
And you had taken every precaution at the nursing home, right?
I did, yeah. I had double mask and goggles and all the PPE, and somehow I still caught it.
So now your kids also, how have they been as you, I guess, quarantined yourself down in the basement away from them?
Actually upstairs on the second floor, I put a gate up, and actually, I had a picture. I took a picture of my daughter looking up at me for the 10 days that I was upstairs. It was heartbreaking. They just wanted me. They wanted hugs and kisses, and I couldn't give it to them. So.
And now you're worried about the mysterious children's disease that could be linked to COVID, right?
Yes, because I really feel like it went through the whole house. Even though I quarantined myself, I was still with them that weekend that I was starting to feel symptoms. And, one didn't have taste and smell, his stomach hurt, and then others had colds and little coughs. So I don't know. I feel like they all got it. So I'm just hoping and praying that it doesn't turn into this mysterious disease now.
I know some parents like you haven't tested their children, even though they think they might have it. Is there a reason the pediatricians aren't testing them?
I really don't know. I did call them and mention it to them, and they did call a couple of days later just to check on it, to see how they were, doing. And, it kind of seemed like, one had symptoms, possible symptoms, and then it went to the other one, but they seem to have recovered, and they're all doing good right now. So I think that's why.
Yeah,
I think the pediatrician, the office is just for newborns and healthy patients only. So they're really trying to take every precaution.
Right, and we do want the viewers to know that you can now go to these other testing sites at CVS and Go Health, and so there are ways to get tested if people want to. According to the governor, anyone can get one now. But I'd want to understand from your perspective, what you want people to know as a frontline worker and as a mom and as your experience. What's this been like for you?
Honestly, my first job is a school bus driver. I have 2 jobs, and right now I'm laid off from that. And I thought it was a great opportunity to work full time as a CNA. It's rewarding, it's exciting, and terrifying all at the same time.
And there's been a lot of anxiety, right?
Oh, lots of anxiety. Yes, I've made a couple of calls to my doctor. I'll be the first to admit it. It's like I said, terrifying, because you just don't know. You don't know if you're going to get it. You don't know if you're protecting yourself enough. You don't know if taking your shoes off and stripping at the door is enough, and washing your clothes right away. And it's just all the uncertainty about this, virus. So.
Well, we are glad that 2.5 weeks after your positive test, you're feeling healthier, and we wish you the best, and thank you for sharing your story with us.
Absolutely. Thank you.